TalkTalk's YouView box allows you to record your favorite TV shows for later viewing. Even though TalkTalk sold its TV assets to Roku in 2021, existing YouView customers continue to receive full support for their devices. YouView is a hybrid TV platform that combines Freeview digital terrestrial TV with internet-delivered content. It provides an integrated electronic program guide and cloud-based features for enhanced functionality. Most TalkTalk YouView boxes feature dual tuners, allowing you to record one program while watching another. They come with storage capacities ranging from 500 gigabytes to 1 terabyte, depending on the model. There are several ways to record programs on your YouView box. You can record instantly by pressing the red record button while watching live TV, schedule recordings through the electronic program guide, or set up series links to automatically record entire seasons. Remote recording is also possible through mobile apps and web interfaces. This allows you to schedule recordings from anywhere with an internet connection, ensuring you never miss your favorite shows, even when you're away from home. Effective storage management is crucial for optimal YouView performance. Your recording capacity depends on regularly maintaining available space and monitoring usage patterns. Monitor your storage levels through the settings menu. When space runs low, the system may automatically delete older recordings, so proactive management prevents losing important content. Signal quality directly impacts recording success. Ensure your YouView box receives strong signal strength and maintains proper ventilation during extended recording sessions. When recording issues occur, systematic troubleshooting can resolve most problems. Common issues include failed recordings, missing content, and playback difficulties. Despite the rise of streaming services, YouView recording remains valuable for specific use cases. Live sports, local programming, and households with limited broadband still benefit significantly from traditional recording capabilities. By following these best practices for storage management, signal optimization, and troubleshooting, you can maximize your YouView recording experience and ensure reliable performance for years to come.